Hey there, mind body enthusiasts and fans of holistic healing and making shift happen. This video is going to show you how to release hopelessness and helplessness. Yes, I've been there a bunch of times. I've been even at the point of contemplating suicide because I couldn't see a way out of the situations I was in at the time. Out of work, running out of money, dumped by a fiance. There are so many things. I've had some terrible, terrible things happen in my life. And if you're watching this video, maybe you're in the same place. The important thing to remember is you can make shift happen. You can change the feelings of these emotions of hopelessness and helplessness. You don't want to be stuck in that pit of those emotions, because the more you feel those emotions, things are never going to get better, it just seems like things are getting worse, you're actually drawn more circumstances, people, situations that are going to prove that to you over and over again, because the universe gives us whatever we focus on. The way to talk to make things happen is not with your voice, it's with your energy. And as you uplift your energy, you're going to uplift your situation. I've seen this happen time and time again in myself, family, friends, and of course my clients. So the first thing is, pick one thing you feel hopeless and helpless about. Let's just use the example of not enough money. We've all been there pretty much, right? And all you have to do is just start talking and clearing the emotions. So, of course, I am into the meridian clearing. You could just talk about, I release this fear that I'm never going to get out of this money pit. This lack of money, lack of income. However I got into it, I forgive myself. I also choose to release self-hatred. I am not helpless and I am not hopeless. Those are just emotions that keep me trapped in this situation, and I let them go now. I release my fear that these bad times are never going to end. If you can't use your arms like this, you can tap under your nose, or you could spin a pendulum. Spin it counterclockwise or to the left when you're releasing emotions, and then clockwise when you want to instill affirmations. Let's just continue on with this. I release my fear and terror that things are never going to get better, that I'm not safe anymore, that my family's not safe. I release my fear of failure to be able to change this situation. I also release my fear of success, that every time I succeed at something, something bad happens afterwards, and it seems like I'm just stuck, I'm frozen. Everywhere I move, it hurts. I let go of this fear and terror that I'm never going to feel better, and this fear and terror that every move I make either fails or has mediocre success, or it brings success and then terrible things happen afterwards. I let this go. I let go of my fear and terror of being rejected and abandoned by prospective employers, by my current employer, by money, by love, by my loved ones. I release these feelings of hopelessness and helplessness now. And I choose, someday if not today, to feel strong in the right direction here, to instill the affirmations. I choose to feel strong and confident. Everything is energy, and as I shift the energy, I make things happen in a different way. I also shift my focus. I choose now to catch myself every time I start focusing on, oh, here we go again, SSDD, same stuff, different day, right? Oh no, not another thing. Oh my God, what's going to happen today? Please don't talk like that anymore. Again, the voice of experience right here, my dumb ass. So many times, so stupid. In my 20s and 30s, hanging around negative people and doing things like that. But once I just started getting my priorities straight and understanding how powerful I am, how powerful you are. You are a treasure. You deserve to succeed in whatever you wish. You deserve to be loved by whomever you wish. You deserve to earn as much money as you wish. Start focusing on that and feeling the bliss and asking yourself, what if the best happened today? What if the best happened today? And one other quick thing to do, just going to show you swinging the pendulum a different way to the left. I now scramble the energy and neutralize all non-beneficial, unwanted possibilities and probabilities of today, of my income, of my work, of my relationships. I want that all gone now. And you can I spin in 100% compatibility with myself, with loving relationships, 100% compatibility with plenty of money. 10 times more than I already made this year. This is what I choose now, and I give myself that blessing. I spin in 100% compatibility by attracting good, kind, loving, supportive people in my life now. And I choose hope and love and peace. I'm not helpless. I'm helpful. And the more I give to others, as far as my time, my energy, my ideas, things that can help others, the universe gifts me with more blessings as well. We all know it's true, right? What you give out comes back to you. So please keep that in mind and keep loving yourself and gifting yourself with all the wonderful things that you can possibly do on earth for yourself and others. Make this a beautiful, wonderful lifetime, a beautiful, wonderful planet. You got the power. So if you need more information, please check out my website, emorescue.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave a message or a comment with this video if you need me to make a video for you on a specific topic. I can do that for you because you deserve it. And you are loved very much, not by just me, but others whose lives you've changed with things you've done for them, things you've said to them that encourage them. And that's what I'm trying to do for you now. Take care. Peace out. Namaste. My website, emorescue.com, offers free ebooks, audios, videos, EFT charts, free charts, all kinds of information for your self-healing empowerment. Check it out today. Thank you.